everyone. Today our company will present about our business plan of venture capital. But before we start, let us introduce ourselves and our company. Next, the first one is me, Aisya Oxzanna P as President Overall Leadership.
Next is me, Dhiya Putri, as VP Accounting and Financial.
And there's me, Aurellia Berliana, as VP Marketing and VP Business Analytics.
And then the last one is me, Prima Setya S as VP Manufacturing and Sales Management.
And then this is our company, as you can see here. Here is the biodata. Next, the first one is executive summary. Next, here is the result of balance scorecard from Q1 to Q4. As you can see here, from Q3 to Q4 was increased to 2.455. Also, we have ranked the second highest among other companies, which means that SEGARA Company managed to improve all of the performances in our company. And then beside the balance scorecard graphic, there is cumulative balance scorecard in Q4, shows that our company is ranked as fourth, the highest. And then this is the cumulative balance scorecard. The performance result of the cumulative balance scorecard of our company has increased and showed at 0.352.
Review of financial and market performance. Financial performance on the graph listed on the slide. SEGARA Company financial performance in the 2 and 3rd quarter described, but in the 3 to 4 quarter improved to 10.31 compared to competitor companies. Our company is ranked the third among them, but we still need get higher and improve our financial performance.
Next is market performance. We can see in this market performance graph the results of the company's market performance immediately from Q3 to Q4 decreased due to stock out products. Stock out of this product can be caused by, first, our company is not brave enough to produce more recycled stock. Second, we don't understand customers about what products are most in demand and what products are rarely in demand. From the reason above, we can understand and learn that we must really pay attention to production and manufacturing as well as customer demand so that later our company will not stock out anymore.
And the next point is customer assessment. Next, the first one is market demand. Here are requests from SEGARA companies and competitor companies. Total demand in our company is 1,082. Based on the data, the demand we determine is lower than that of competitor companies because our fixed capacity is only 8 in MEA region and 16 in Europe region. So our company needs to increase fixed capacity to increase total demand. Next point is competition. Next, here's our company's brand assessment of competitor in the work bike segmentation.
Next is promotion. Here's a copy judgment of our company compared to competitor companies on work segmentation, which is the orange color. There's our company's brand assessment of competitors in the recreation bike segmentation, which is the green one. And the last one is our company's brand assessment of competitors in the speed bike segmentation, where we occupy the third position with a 71 value. Next is place. For place, our company decided to open store in Seville and Marrakech City. We decided to open in Seville and Marrakech City because the segment we use, which is recreation, work, and speed, have a middle position in potential demand.
The next is a price. Here are the product price in our company and competitor in the speed segmentation with a value of 100. Here are the product price in our company and competitor in the region segmentation with a value of 100. And the last, here are the product price is our company and competitor, the work segmentation with a value of 100. This proves the price of the product we profit is lower and the market might actually be willing to pay more.
Okay, and then the next one is company's strength and weakness. Next. So the first one is the strength. Based on the advanced balance scorecard on the slide, SEGARA has the strength in manufacturing productivity, asset management, and financial performance. Therefore, we rank third in the total performance. Next. And if we take a look at this table, SEGARA Company doesn't have the worst rank for the weaknesses, but we do have the weakness. It is market performance and the wealth. Next. Okay, and then the next one is major problems or opportunities. Next. For the problem, there are two problems. It is market performance and the wealth. As I explained earlier, the measure of this market performance just includes primary and secondary segments, but there are one segment that higher than those two prioritized segments. And then the next one is wealth. Our company is still relatively low. Therefore, this can be a threat to our company. So it still needs to improve net equity. Next. And then the next one is the opportunities. The first one is financial performance. The financial performance becomes a huge opportunity for our company because it is measured by a lot of components in the financial. This opportunity showed that our company was did well at create profits for its shareholders. And then the next one is the asset management. In this case, the company's asset management can be used as an opportunity to use the firm's assets in order to increase sales revenue. And then the next one is manufacturing productivity. In this regard, manufacturing productivity showed that our products are reliable and have a high priority for all customers. We have an accurate plant operating capacity, which is shown by the least amount of the excess capacity. This situation will have a big opportunity to our company to measure the best way to produce. Next.
Next is our strategy for the next quarter. First is marketing strategy. Next, this is our graph. Next, for market side, high potential will greatly make our company to always compete in order to win the competition with others, profitable and always make a great innovation. And for geographic market, our company is currently still focusing on the middle position in potential demand. We choose to open store in the cities of Seville and Marrakech because they fit our product segment. Then, for the next quarter, we will prepare to open a store in New York City, which has a very large market potential in Iran. Next, for our competitive posture, first, we maintaining a product brand that has a lot of demand and trying to be a winner. We also analyze the performance of competitor companies so that we know their weakness. And the last is distinctive competencies. First, to become a recycle company that always prioritizes customers. Second, become a market share leader in each brand segment so as to get high profits. And the last one is making employees as assets, not as tools. Next.
The next topic is sales channel. Next, the data unit sold by the SEGARA Company reached a value of 902, where this number made our company the top 3 rank. Sales strategy in the next quarter is that we add new store and increase sale unit in each country, because there is a possible that an increase in sale will be possible.
Financial strategy, image privilege amount of data. So remember, use an image set of a long text. Your audience will appreciate. Based on the financial performance data, the net profit is still negative. This is because the operating profit is also negative, which is the total expense is greater than the gross profit. Therefore, in the future, we need to increase gross profit.
And then manufacturing strategy. Next. First, increase fixed capacity every quarter, and then invest by adding new 3D printing machine to produce more quality product based on what the market wants, and then increase worker productivity to reduce or even avoid stock out and overcapacity. Next. Manufacturing productivity. Productivity of human resource in the manufacturing section. Our company has high satisfaction compared to other companies. This is still low. So for the next quarter, we need to increase worker productivity by increasing worker compensation. Next.
And the next, financial request. Based on this data, we can conclude 1. Amount of money being sought. Enlarge production capacity. We increase production capacity for the next quarter as we have a new brand and also add media placement in the hopes of reaching more buyers. So the demand for the company will increase. Fixed capacity addition. As we increase our production capacity, also need more fixed capacity than the previous quarter. Admin power. Because our company at fixed capacity, the company also needs to add more manpower to increase productivity effect. R&D investment. Our company is making R&D investment with two competing companies, namely Pivera and Sadelku, with a brand future R&D project in racing and slim. Ultra fast, carbon fiber embossed, and with the R&D license in the form of carbon fiber, aerodynamic drop down, and full suspension in the 5th quarter. From the calculation of the data above, our ROA result of 130%, it can be used to measure the efficiency of working capital use, production efficiency, and efficiency of the sales section. The ROA can be also compared to other competitor companies. So it can be known whether our company is below, equal, or above average. ROA analysis can also be used to measure the profitability of each product produced by the company, as well as ROAE can be used as a basis for decision making if the company will hold an expansion. Pro forma cash flow balance sheet and income statement. This is our company cash flow from quarter 1 to 4. We get negative net cash flow, but we have prepared projection for the next quarter, and we hope the company gets a positive and profitable cash ending. Balance sheet, the size of the company deposit, long-term asset, debt, and equity. And the last, income statement, to expense, net income, and earning per share. From the data, the more dominant expenditure is for R&D. In the next quarter, we will increase the net income so that the company gets a profit on this earning per share.
And then the next one is tactical plan. Next, and here is our company's tactical plan from quarter 1 to 4. This tactical plan is used to map the company's tactics to the future. With these tactical plans, we can see which progress from our company will have the big impact to our profit. Then we can improve it. And then this is the second page. Next. And this is the last page of tactical plan. Next. Thank you for your all attention. If you have any question, you can just turn on your mic.
Excuse me, can I ask question?
Sure.
Okay, I am Fatima from Sadelku. Have a look at your company. Market share, it is lower than the past quarter. Why is that happens and how you deal with it?
Okay, thank you for the question. So our market share is getting low because the measurement of market share just include our two prioritized segment. It is recreation and work. But besides, we have another segment that have a wide market share too. It is speed segment. At the next quarter, we have new store open in New York, and we are sure we're gonna get the widest market share because New York has been the highest market position in the world. Any question?
No, thank you.
May I ask another question?
Yes, of course.
You have the best ranked position for your manufacturing management. How is that happens to your company?
Okay. It happens because we have planned operating capacity accurately, and so we don't have to cost lots of money for excess operating capacity. As you can see, our company just spent about 2% excess operating capacity, and in May for the next quarter, maybe we can plan the operating capacity more accurate so that we don't have to spend any money for excess operating capacity.
Okay, I think this is enough. Thank you for your answer.